Just a little patience, I think.
Just a little patience, yeah. Just a little patience, yeah. Just a little. Oh, I've been walking the streets tonight, just trying to get it right. It's hard to see with so many around. You know I don't like being stuck in the crowd, and the streets don't change, but maybe today I ain't got time for the game, cause I need you. Yeah, well I need you. Ooh, I need you. Oh, I need you. Ooh, this time. Hey.
Okay. Have we even what's the Ojibwe word of the day gonna be? Let's see. Today is oh, you know what? It's Tuesday. We can do dig if you will a picture day. Dig if you will a picture. Yeah, that's a good idea. Let me see if there's any good pictures we can share. What do you think, Natasha?
Oh, I don't know. Nijo Geesh good. It's Tuesday.
Tuesday. We'll make that one of the words of the day. Do a dig if you will a picture day. Are you gonna want to tell a story or something? Yeah, I was thinking about telling the one of those old children's stories or something. Do you want to tell I don't know. How about I just wing it? Yeah, why don't you just wing it? Okay. Hey everyone. Okay, hold on. Take two.
Take two. Take two.
Are you ready?
I'm ready whenever you are.
You ready? Oh yeah, go ahead. Okay, now I feel self-conscious. No, just go ahead. Good morning. Mino giga jebe kakina awia. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Michael Lyons. Is that theme music too quiet? Yeah, it's kind of quiet. I am Michael Lyons, and over here is the lovely and talented Natasha. Say hello, Natasha.
Bonjour, everybody. Welcome to the show.
And over here, the host of the show, the star of the show, NANABOOZHOO. Bonjour, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome NANABOOZHOO. Yeah, thank you so much, Niji. Ta-dum. Yeah, so there you go. Time for the big show. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. And so today, our Ojibwe word of the day on this Nijo Geeja Good. It is the second day. It's the second day in a row, sweetie.
Second day in a row, what?
I don't know. Of us teaching Ojibwe. Nijo Geeja Good, second day. Oh, but you know what that means, sweetie?
It means dig if you will, a picture day.
That's right. Dig if you will, a picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. Hey, you know what we should play?
What's that?
You and Michael singing Dig If You Will.
Yeah, we could do that during the break. Or the crossover or whatever.
Yeah, okay. Dig If You Will this picture. On Tuesdays at BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, we like to dig a picture. We're all about art and music and culture. You know, when I talk about this is the podcast of Ojibwe language and culture.
Yeah.
I'm talking like culture, like art and music. So, should we start with a Hitler painting or with Pink Floyd?
Pink Floyd.
Okay. So I thought this was cute. When you just want to play your guitar, but your dad is that guy from Pink Floyd.
Oh, just cute.
Yeah. There's Dave Gilmour, the lead guitarist of Pink Floyd, and his daughter. And I just know what happened there.
What happened?
She's up there jamming on her guitar, just like a kid. And he's like, oh, hold on, let me show you something there. And look at the chord he's trying to show her. I think he's showing her the B7. That's a tricky chord. But I'm sure she'll grow up to be a good guitar player if her guitar teacher's her dad. When you just want to play your guitar, but your dad is that guy from Pink Floyd. Which brings an interesting question.
What's that?
How do I connect Pink Floyd, Dave Gilmour's daughter, with Adolf Hitler?
I don't know. Is she a painter?
Well, I guess they're both artists. So, kids, welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, a podcast for children. An educational podcast, like Sesame Street. And one of the things that I've been sort of preoccupied with in the last few years is this idea that the world is an actor-based reality.
Yeah.
That nobody's really, all of history, all news is just like NASA. It's all fake. Oh, I shouldn't say that.
Are you a Holocaust denier?
Absolutely not. I'm not saying that, YouTube. I'm just saying there's probably more to the story of Hitler than what we've been told. If he existed, if he wasn't just an actor playing a guy and then later on played the part of Walt Disney.
Yeah, that's the conspiracy.
Yeah. A lot of people think that Hitler didn't die in the war, that he came over and became Disney. But another one of the folk stories about Adolf Hitler was that Carlin used to have a funny joke. He'd say, I wonder what the world would be like now if Hitler had gotten into art school.
Yeah.
The story is Hitler wanted to go to art school and he had no talent. And when you research Hitler's paintings, he's got, I don't know, more than I know. Dozens, I guess, of oil paintings throughout the years. He painted for many years. And I was looking into paintings and this painting is a Hitler painting that the art critics said had no artistic merit. They actually bothered to have a news story. Oh yeah, Hitler was a painter, but famous art critics, like name one art critic, deem it as having no artistic merit. So what do you think, sweetie? Does this painting have no artistic merit?
I can't see it. Oh, there you go. That's a Hitler painting?
Yep, this is one of Hitler's early paintings. And the news article said, it had no artistic merit.
I don't know. I don't think that would be... I think it's got artistic merit because it looks like it's big.
Yeah, it's really big. You can tell by the size of his signature.
Yeah.
So I don't know how big that is, but it's a big old, oil painting. And... But the story is Hitler couldn't get into art school. Oh, he tried, and the art school said, nope. You're too much of a fascist dictator for our taste.
Did he try to get in after the whole thing?
Oh, yeah, he was Hitler. He was already, he had invaded Poland and all that. And then he wanted to go to art school.
No.
No, this is just when he was a kid. So a kid paints this, an 18-year-old, and I don't know. I think it's okay. It's a whole lot better than Keanu Reeves' girlfriend's painting.
Oh, yeah. You want to show that?
So Keanu Reeves, the Matrix actor, he's got this gray-haired girlfriend who paints or something. This isn't a painting. I don't know. I think this is... I don't know what this is. I hate this so much.
How can you hate it?
I think this is anti-art. It annoys me. It's hard to read. It's the opposite of talent. It's just crap. But this is what we get from California modern artists. This crap. So, for my money, I think Hitler was a better painter than Keanu Reeves' girlfriend.
Okay.
And this has been Dig If You Will, a Picture with the artist formerly known as Prince. I think Prince is doing a Hitler painting there.
Yeah, huh?
What's the connection? I think I found a new conspiracy theory, sweetie.
What's that?
What if Hitler was actually Prince?
No.
Dig if you will, this picture of Prince painting a Hitler painting. Anyway, what else is going on, sweetie?
Oh, I don't know. You got a word for us to learn?
I got a phrase, I think. Oh, yeah, I was going to discuss the... did you want me to tell the Jack and the Beanstalk story again? Yeah, would you? Okay. Today's Ojibwe Words of the Day and traditional oral tradition Arazuke story has to do with a mushkode simanwug. Mushkode simanwug, beans. These are magic mushkode simanwug, magic beans that grew into a great big old giant beanstalk. Misabe mushkode simanashk, giant beanstalk. Mushkode simanashk, ashk means stalk. And a cow. A bajike. This is a story of Jack and the cow that he traded for some magic mushkode simanawag. Mushkode simanwag. Hey, you know what? I got a cool background for this, sweetie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
I love it.
Back in the days of the grandfathers, there was a young man, really a boy, named Jack. And he didn't know jack about trading or butchering cows, I guess.
Why do you say that?
Well, one morning, Jack gets up and his mom's like, "Hey, Jack, I want you to do something for me. I want you to take the bijike. I want you to take the cow and bring him into market. Sell that cow so we can buy some food. And then take that money and go to the grocery store, go get us some beans." And he goes, "Mom, why don't we just eat the cow and drink the milk? I don't mind beef and milk." And she's like, "You don't know how to butcher or any of that. Just go sell it and go buy us some beans." And he's like, "All right." So off he goes, taking a bijike into town to go buy some beans. And he had beans in his head. So that's why it was so easy for him to get tricked. Halfway into town, he's about to cross a bridge. And who's there? A little goblin. And the goblin's like, "Hey, Jack, you want to make a trade?" And Jack goes, "I don't think so. I gotta go into town and sell this cow. I gotta go buy some beans for my mom." He goes, "Beans? Oh, funny you should ask. I got beans with me right here. How about I just trade you these beans for your cow? You don't even have to sell the cow. You can have these beans. And he goes, what? Just a little handful of sweaty beans? He goes, no, Jack. These are magic beans. Your mom's going to be so proud of you when you come back with magic beans. She thought she was going to get some of the old baked beans, but no, these are magic. He's like, oh, wow. First, I ate some magic mushrooms. Now I'm going to eat some magic beans. And so he goes, okay, that sounds like a pretty good trade. Thank you, sir. Miigwech. Gigawabamin minoa. I will see you again. So he trades that old cow for the beans and goes back home. He's like, hey, Ma, guess what? I got some beans for you. She goes, no, Jack. I wanted you to buy like a year's supply of baked beans. Not baked, whatever. We need to stock up. It's going to be a food crisis. Haven't you been watching the news? And he goes, no, Ma, these are baked beans. Or these are magic beans. She goes, magic beans. Are you stupid too? And she grabs those magic beans and throws them out the window. She goes, I can't believe how dumb you are. And they go to bed. Not together. They go, he goes to his room and Mom goes to her. I don't know where his dad is. I guess she's a single mom. Anyway, so over the night, those magic beans, they take root. And it starts to sprout. And a little mushkode seminashk, the beanstalk, starts to grow. And it grows. And it grows. Sweetie, that thing grew so high, it went up through the clouds and up to the Ishpaming, up to the heavens. Ishpaming. Or as awake people would call it, the firmament. All the way up to the dome over the ground. And he wakes up and he sees that beanstalk outside. And he's like, oh, wow. I guess those beans really work. Hey, Ma! We got those beanstalk. Look, check out my magic beanstalk. So he goes outside. And instead of, alerting the authorities, or I don't know what you would do, he goes, hey, I know. Here's a crazy beanstalk. I'm going to climb up that thing. His mom comes out. He's like, Jack, don't you go climbing on that. You're going to break your neck. He goes, no, it's okay, Mom. I'm going to climb up this beanstalk. So he starts to climb. And he climbs. And he climbs. And he climbs. And he's up above the clouds. And finally he gets above the old Ishpeming. And he steps out. And he looks across. And he's like, oh, wow, look at this. And there's a big mansion, big castle there. And there's a goose laying a golden egg. And he's like, oh, wow, look at that. I'm going to grab this goose and, take it home. First with the magic beans, now I've got gold. It's just one good thing after the next for me, Jack. But then what happens? He hears a voice. Ho, 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 ah. I smell the blood of an Englishman. An Englishman. Yeah. No, he says fee, fi, fo, fum. What am I saying? Ho, 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 ah. That's what the Anishinaabe Santa Claus says. Ho, 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 ah. Ho, 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 ah. Anyway, he goes, fee, fi, fo, fum. I smell the blood of an Englishman. And Jack says, hey, that's racist. And then he just jumps on the thing and he starts to climb down. And the giant goes, oh, no, you don't. And he starts to climb down. But Jack gets to the bottom just quick. And he goes to the shed and he grabs his chainsaw. And he chainsaws down a big old giant beanstalk, which would have fed the whole town for the rest of their lives. Nah. He's had that beanstalk for all of about 20 minutes, and now he kills it. But the beanstalk falls, and the giant dies from a fall. He didn't get very far. And so Jack walks over there and is like, yep, see, that's what you get for trying to stop me from stealing from you. And the moral of the story is what, sweetie?
I've never understood that story. Is it, if you're gonna steal, you better be ready to commit murder?
Yeah. The moral of the story is, if you steal, be ready to kill. Because that's how you get what you want in the end. And in the end, everything worked out for Jack.
Yep.
Now he was rich. And he had killed. And I wonder if he ever went back to that goblin and got more beans.
I don't know.
And this is the story of Jack and the Mushkode Semenushk, the beanstalk. To learn more, to learn less, I don't know. I don't know, sweetie. I never understood those kids' shows.
Me either. Shows, stories.
Yeah. Arazuke Winini. It's a traditional story with a moral or something. I don't know. Should we see who's here?
Yeah.
Hey, Diane's here.
Well, BOOZHOO, Diane.
Mino Giga Jabe, Diane. Good old Diane. She says, good morning, patience. Wow, do I feel like I need some of that? Don't we all need a little patience? Just a little patience. Yeah, yeah.
I've been walking the street tonight, just trying to get it right.
So, and Joseph's here. Hey, BOOZHOO, Joseph.
BOOZHOO, Joe. BOOZHOO, Niji.
And Sequoia Hummingbird, Mino Giga Gud from Eureka Springs. Eureka!
Eureka!
That's what scientists say when they invent something. Eureka! Not scientists, engineers, I guess.
Yeah.
I hate scientists. I respect engineers, inventors. But I'm a scientist. I'm Einstein. I came up with a theory. Oh, good for you. I have a theory, Einstein. I think you're full of crap. I don't think you ever invented anything. I think you just made up a bunch of wild stories. And the Illuminati made you popular, so whatever. Eureka! BOOZHOO, Sequoia.
BOOZHOO, Sequoia.
And looking good, Michael. Michael, Sequoia says you're looking good. Hey, thanks, Sequoia. Hey, everyone. Don't forget to hit the like button for Nana BOOZHOO and Natasha.
Hit that like button.
Put your thumbs in the air if you care. Manu, if you care. Gawin Manu, don't care. Nin Gawin Manu, I don't care. I don't care anymore. Whoa. Gwen Carly, Mino Giga Jape.
Oh, is Gwen here?
She sure is.
Gwen Carly, welcome to the show.
Nice to see you. Should share some more art from the crew. Yeah, what happened to, we used to get artwork from the crew. If you send us your artwork, we'll share it on Tuesdays. Dig, if you will, a picture. I've been waiting for a reason to share some pictures I have of Jessica Wabuza's little kid.
Oh, yeah, she's so cute.
Yeah. But I've been walking the streets at night, just trying to get it right. Copyright problems these days. I know. Well, I don't know. I get a lot of not copyright strikes. I get little you're gonna have to share your revenue with Kiss or whoever because they sang one of their songs in your show today. I've never gotten a strike for a picture.
We've gotten in trouble for remember that time when Eddie Van Halen died?
Oh yeah. When Eddie Van Halen died, I did a tribute video where we watched Eddie Van Halen on the computer there. And I just made comments. And they shut off the volume. It was weird. I was like, come on, you guys. How come some people can... I don't understand why there's copyrighted material on YouTube at all. Unless it was just like, oh, this is the record company YouTube channel, and here are the songs. But some people can have a YouTube channel and play all kinds of copyrighted material. And some of us can't. We don't even like singing, but we can't play other people's music.
Nah.
No, I like singing.
I love to sing.
Yeah, me too. Heather Flo's here. Bonjour, Heather Flo. T-Dot. I discovered electricity. Oh, you mean Tesla?
Yeah, Tesla.
Tesla. What a great band.
So you think that it's over,
And that your love has finally reached the end.
there won't come a day I'll be right there for you. If you need a friend, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. It's gonna take a little time. A little time to teach. Mazanabi Ike Winini. A word for artist. Mazanabi Ike Winini. So you fancy yourself a Mazanabi Ike Winini, do you? You think you're an artist? Are you an artist formerly known as Prince? Artist. I got news for you, Art. I just called Prince Art. I got news for you, Prince. Just because you can sing and dance doesn't mean you're an artist.
Well, music and dance is art.
That's what they say. To me, art is something you have to draw or paint. And apparently to the Ojibwes it is too.
You don't think musicians are artists? What about David Bowie?
Okay, Bowie's an artist. But I'm not going to call every singer an artist. That kind of cheapens the word artist. Mizinabi Ige or Mizinabi Igun is a drawing or like a painting, something you can look at, something you have to have skill with your hand and your eyes, and you're communicating art. But, now it's like, oh, look at me. I just sung a tune. I'm a real artist.
Hey, sweetie.
Yeah?
You want to take a call?
Oh, sure. I'll take a call. What line?
On line 2.
Line 2. Hello, caller. Welcome to BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO. You're on the air.
Hey there, NANABOOZHOO. It's me, Vincent Van Gogh.
Well, hey, Vincent Van Gogh, the artist. See, that's what I'm talking about, sweetie. A real artist.
Hi, Vinny. Hi, Natasha. Hey, NANABOOZHOO. I hear you're talking about art and artists these days.
Yeah, that's right. I think Hitler's an artist.
Yeah, he was.
Oh, sorry. I just put a Hitler painting over your face. So, what do you think of Hitler?
I love Hitler.
Well, I mean you love his paintings.
Yeah, his paintings too.
I think we just learned something about Van Gogh. So, Vincent Van Gogh, do you think, I don't know, if you're a musician, can you call yourself an artist?
Yeah, I painted and I'm an artist, but sometimes I like to sing and dance.
You sang and danced too?
Oh yeah, all the time. I'd paint, then I'd take a break, and I'd sing. I'd sing songs, I'd dance around, and then I shot myself.
That's right. I just took a dark turn.
Yeah, no kidding.
Why'd you kill yourself?
'Cause nobody would buy my paintings, and I was dancing and singing, but I wanted to be an artist. And nobody bought my paintings.
Well, they're buying them now.
I know. I'm rich.
Well, you're dead.
I know. I can't even spend my money because I died. I wish I hadn't killed myself. That was stupid.
That was stupid. Anyway, what can I do for you?
How do you say that in Ojibwe? Artist.
Oh, artist? Mizinabi Ige Winini.
Mizinabi Ige Winini. Artist. So, Mizinabi Igun is drawing?
Yeah, it's like a drawing man is how it actually translates to English. But you can be a woman and be an artist too. I don't know why they don't call it Mizinabi Ige Ikwe, a female drawing person.
They should.
These old-time Indians, bunch of sexists. Let me ask Mr. Van Gogh.
Yeah, you can ask me anything, man. I'm an open book.
Who's your favorite female painter?
Oh, I love Frida.
Frida who?
That chick with the one eyebrow?
Unibrow Frida?
Yeah, she's a great artist, and she's a woman.
Is she a great artist, though?
Yeah, she painted pictures of herself with one eyebrow.
I know. I heard she actually had normal eyebrows, but, I actually know what I heard.
What did you hear about Frida?
Frida's mom was, she hooked up with Bert.
Bert from Ernie and Bert?
That's right. No. Yeah, Bert was her dad. That's why she had that one eyebrow. Some of you classy, educated people will know who I'm talking about. I don't have a picture of Frida. I don't really care for her art.
You don't like Frida? Man, you suck.
Why do I suck?
Because you're a sexist. You don't think women can be great artists.
I never said that.
Well, who is your favorite female artist?
I love... Quick, sweetie, who's my favorite female artist? Well, you're not counting musicians anymore. I was going to say Kate Bush. Yeah, okay, Kate Bush. Kate Bush.
No, that doesn't count. Who's your favorite female artist? Now, quick.
I know. My favorite female artist is Keanu Reeves' girlfriend.
Keanu Reeves' girlfriend? I've never even seen her art.
You've never seen Keanu Reeves' girlfriend's art? It's like this.
What is that now?
It's art by a girl.
That's how modern women paint?
Yep. They paint backwards in kind of I don't know. I love you, and you, so, A-U-R, mem. Do I have this backwards, maybe? Let me see what happens if I do this. See, it doesn't even matter, sweetie.
What's that?
Keanu Reeves' girlfriend's terrible art. Yeah, it doesn't matter. You can... This might be mirrored, but you can't tell. It's so bad.
Yeah, that sucks.
That's the worst. So I don't know what that says. I don't want to make some grand blanket statement against all female artists. I just don't personally know any female artists that aren't terrible. How could you say that? Well, whatever. It just occurred to me. Why can't women draw or paint? I'm sure they can. I just can't think of anybody right now. But there you go. It's gonna be gay. So anything else going on in your life or death? Vincent Van Gogh?
My ear gets itchy sometimes.
Your ear?
Well, the place where my ear used to be.
Oh, that's right. Vincent Van Gogh cut his ear off. Yeah, I know.
Yeah, I know. It's sometimes like that ghost stump you hear about. Like where a person has their leg amputated, but then they get the itching on their leg and they can't scratch it.
Oh, is that real?
Yeah, it's totally real. I keep on trying to scratch my ear, but then there's nothing there.
Yeah, that sucks. All right. Well, I better get going, Vincent.
How do you say goodbye in Ojibwe?
Well, we don't really say goodbye. We say, I will see you again. Gigawabamin. Minawa.
Gigawabamin, Minawa, Nanaboozhoo.
Yeah, you too, buddy. Gigawabamin, Minawa, Van Gogh.
Yeah, you too, Natasha. I'll see ya.
Okay. Vincent Van Gogh. Yeah, kind of a tortured artist. I know. Poor old Vincent Van Gogh. As I walk along, I wonder. Hey, you want to take another call? Oh, sure. Line 2? Line 2. Where are we? Line 2. Here we go. Caller, welcome to the BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO podcast. You're on the air. Hey, Nanaboozhoo, you better stop talking bad about my girlfriend. I'm gonna come down there and kick your butt. Hey, Keanu, how you doing? Welcome to the show.
Hi, Keanu Reeves.
Hi, Natasha. How you doing, girl?
I'm doing pretty good.
Listen to Nanaboozhoo, you don't know what you're talking about. My girlfriend, she's a beautiful artist. Well, maybe she's beautiful, and that, I think, can be debated, but no, she's not a very good artist. I'm sorry if I, if you don't like hearing that. But can you honestly tell me this is good art? Yeah, it's beautiful. She's a modern Vincent van Gogh. Well, Vincent van Gogh wasn't great either, but he was a lot better than that. What is this? It's modern art. She's really good. You want to say hi to her? No, I'd rather not. Come on, you want to say hi to my girlfriend? Hey, darling, you want to say hello to Nanaboozhoo?
Hey, what's that, sweetie?
Nanaboozhoo's on the line. You want to say hi to him?
Oh, okay, hold on.
Hold on, Nanaboozhoo. Go get my girlfriend. Here we go.
Hey, what's that? No, hold on.
Is she there? Yeah, hang on. How come it's not working? Okay, here we go. Yeah, go get your girlfriend. Yeah, hey, darling, why don't you come on the show?
Hey, what's that? Oh, hello, Shetty. What's all this then?
Oh, hi, Keanu Reeves' girlfriend. I was just bad-mouthing your art.
That was my picture. I painted the picture.
You didn't paint anything. You had, like, colored pens. I think these are gel pen scribblings.
I don't have my art show, honey. I had an art show in a museum in Hollywood, and I have $1 million.
That's what I hear. Keanu Reeves' girlfriend's a millionaire.
No way.
Yeah. She has more money than my parents ever made combined. For this.
Now that's how I like to paint the paint up. Oh, I pooped my pants.
Oh, hey, Nanaboozhoo, I better go. My girlfriend, she just pooped her pants. Yeah, okay. It's real nasty. It's running down her leg. But I don't even care, because I care about her on the inside. She's a beautiful girl.
Hey, honey, you gotta come clean me up.
Okay, darling. All right, I gotta go, Nanaboozhoo. Quit talking bad about my girlfriend. Giga wabba min, minawa. Okay, Giga wabba min, minawa, Keanu. Keanu's learning some Ojibwe, sweetie.
Yeah, well, he calls it enough. It's nice that he stands up for his girlfriend, though.
Yeah. I mean, if somebody was bad-mouthing your art, I'd probably call up and tell him to shut up. Sorry, Keanu Reeves' girlfriend. I know you're just doing your best. Anyway, should we play Dig If You Will a Picture?
Yeah.
Here's a song, speaking of pictures and digging, by the artist formerly known as Prince, by the Mizini'igay, how do you say it?
Mizini'igay Winini.
Mizini'igay Winini. By the Mizini'igay Winini, formerly known as Prince. And this is Michael Lyons and Natasha. Miigwech, Biz, and Dawieg. Thank you for listening. Dig, if you will, a picture of you and I engaged in a kiss. The sweat of your body covers me. Can, my darling, can you picture this? You will, a courtyard, an ocean of violets and blue. Animals strike curious poses. They feel the heat between me and
How
you.
can you just leave me standing?
Alone in a world that's so cold.
A world that's so cold.
Maybe I'm just too demanding. Maybe I'm just like my father, too bold. Maybe you're just like my mother. She's never satisfied. Why do we scream at each other? This is what it sounds like when doves cry. Yeah.
That was great. It just freezes over. Yeah. Nice job, Michael.
Yeah, you too, Natasha.
Ladies and gentlemen, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist. Hey, everybody, BOOZHOO. And, yeah. What are we doing today? What are we doing here, sweetie? Heavy Flow is here.
Hey, Heavy Flow.
BOOZHOO, Heavy Flow. What's going on? Heavy Flow says, Frida Satire. Her name was Satire?
Oh, I didn't remember that.
Frida Satire. Satire. Frida, free to do whatever she wants. Frida. I'm free to not pluck my eyebrows. Huh? You want me to pluck my eyebrows? That's the man coming down. Don't you oppress me. I like how she ripped pages out of her sketchbook and called them art. That's dope. You've done that, haven't you, Michael?
Yeah, I share my sketchbook. Call it art.
Here's something I drew on the bus. It's art. Breaking news video. When does season 2 come out? Add a baby maybe, or the neighbor next door. Yeah. What do you think, Michael? Are we going to have... Do we have any surprises for the future?
Don't look at me. Ask Nanaboozhoo.
Well, Michael Lyons is sort of the one in charge of how things go around here. I mean, I'm the talent for sure. You know. And Nanaboozhoo is the host. He's the one who knows all about the Ojibwe stuff. But the basic direction that the show goes in, Michael kind of plays a big part. And there have been talks around here between the three, four, or five of us. Actually, there's a whole bunch of people now. About some stuff that may happen. But I kind of hate to say what's going to be because it'll ruin the surprise. But yeah, things are going to change around here. But yeah. Breaking news, the show would be okay for like old folks' homes. Maybe that's the target audience. Yeah, for sure. We're Sesame Street for elders. That's what's so funny about this. I've described it before that we look like a children's show. I can tell when people don't watch our show and that they've heard about it. And the last question's like, "Hey, yeah, I hear you have this show that teaches Ojibwe. That's great. The kids must love it. Will you come to our school and stuff like that?" And that's fine. I mean, we're good at schools. But then they'll watch the show and go, "What? You had Hitler on? What's going on with the show?" I was like, "Yep. The show is not rated... Well, it's rated G. I always say this show is rated G, but it's not rated PC."
Yeah, no kidding, huh?
Yeah. Anyway, so today, maybe I should go say a prayer, sweetie.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
What's making all that noise? Is that me? Dig, if you will, a picture. Oh, it's the thing in my hair. Of you and I engaged in a kiss. So yeah, would you mind teleporting me outside?
Yeah, sure.
I'm gonna go outside, put out some tobacco.
1 to teleport.
Make it... Whoops. What was that? Make it so, number 1. Okay. That old teleporter is not... Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Anyway, I'm gonna put a little tobacco. Asema. Kichimanadu. Taka otapanani we asema. Great Spirit, please accept my tobacco. Gichimanadu. Miigwech. Kaiji kakina keku. Kaiji chikea nungum. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech kaiji. Way back. Thank you for the weather. Miigwech kaiji. My air conditioner. Yesterday it was really hot, and I finally turned on the air conditioner. And it works pretty well. You gotta constantly keep moving it, but... Miigwech for providing for us. Thank you for all the support we get for the show on our super chats. Hint, hint. Nah. On PayPal, Patreon, all that stuff. Miigwech for my health. Miigwech kaiji. Nij indinaway maganaduk. Thank you for all my relations. My family, my friends, my cousins from another grandmother. The BOOZHOO crew. Just everybody who's been so supportive. And just everybody. Thank you for people in general. Miigwech. Kaiji. Gake. Niwi. Gashkendamoan. Thank you for healing my grief. Middle Gashkendamoan. Good grief. Dash miigwech bisandawi egg. Thank you for listening. I'm paying gay. Amen. How's it gonna be when you don't know me? How's it gonna be when you're not around? How's it gonna be? BOOZHOO Beneshiag. Yeah. Hello, birds. Oh, I know. It's a beautiful day. Yeah, it's a little hot, but I'm not going to complain. I'm wearing my Arid Extra Dry. I got Arid Extra. Strong enough for a man, but made for a woman. What is a woman? Well, sometimes men are women. Well, then what's a man? Nobody knows anymore. I don't know. You know what's weird? Maybe you guys have noticed this. Life is like a box of chocolates. No. Life is like a roller coaster. And sometimes it just goes up and down and up and speeds up and slows down. It's scary. It's fun. It's relatively safe until the end when you die. But you ever notice like some mornings you'll wake up just in a bad mood. Crabby, sad, preoccupied with negative thoughts. Some mornings you wake up and it's like you're a different person. Now everything's kind of funny and you don't, forgot about all the things that bothered you before. How much of the things we spend our time just fretting about, could we just, like, if we were just hypnotized and forgot about it, we'd be better off. I go through some days where it just seems like everything's a hassle. And I don't want to do anything. Everything I do is just to get through it. Oh, I'm going to go hang out with these people. Oh, I have to go da-da-da. I have to. I'll only be glad when I can just come home again. Because I don't like anybody, I don't like anything. Everything's depressing and annoying. Then the next day you wake up, you're like, oh, what a beautiful day. I should go hang out with some people. Let's go fun. Life is full of possibilities and you don't know where it's going to take you. What is that? And you're up again. Now, when I was depressed all the time, even in good times, I'd be like, oh, crap. I'm not depressed or anxious. Everything's going great. that means it's not going to last. Pretty soon I'm going to have a crash here and be all depressed and anxious again. But whatever. Whatever. I guess I'll go back.
Bonjour.
Hi, sweetie.
You ready to come home?
Yeah. Would you pick me up?
All right. Let's see. Let me scan for your coordinates.
Okay.
And lock it in.
All right.
Don't move.
I won't.
And that's 1 to teleport.
Make it so, number 1. No.
Hey, welcome back.
Thank you so much.
How is it outside?
It's a little muggy, but it's beautiful.
Did you put out some tobacco and pray?
Yep.
Did you say a little prayer for me?
Nope.
Why don't you ever pray for me?
I never think about it till I get in here. I'll pray for you later. What else?
Hey, you want to pause for a commercial?
Oh, sure. BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO will return after these messages from Michael Lyons. If I can find it. What's it called?
I think we called it a commercial, didn't we?
Yeah, didn't we, where did we put the commercial? I know we had it. Is it under Little Cutie, maybe?
Oh, here it is.
Oh, here it is.
Hey, if you'd like to support the show, if you'd like to support BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, you can click the links in the description box to either Patreon. On Patreon, you can give us a little bit of money every month, and we'll send you a book. PayPal, you can send us a little tip, or you can go to GoFundMe.com and help us raise money. We have a GoFundMe. Otherwise, if you'd like to order Ojibwe language books by me, Michael Lyons, the rock star cartoonist, you can click the links to Amazon.com and order. You know, I've got coloring books, comic books, children's picture books, like OJIBERISH, and Dog and Manga, BOOZHOO Legitimate, many more. Click the links below. Miigwech.
Do 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 do. I love our theme music, Michael.
Hey, thanks.
Michael Lyons wrote and played with what was your buddy's name?
Clint Carlson.
Clint Carlson. Michael Lyons and Clint Carlson wrote and recorded all of our theme music you hear in the intro and the outro and the commercials and stuff. I dig it. One of these days we should just play a whole hour of music.
Yeah, it'll be fun.
We could do a musical.
Hey, yeah.
You want to do a musical, NANABOOZHOO?
No, I hate musicals.
You don't want to do a musical.
That's stupid.
How can you not like musicals? You like Wizard of Oz.
Okay, I like Wizard of Oz.
And you like Labyrinth.
And I like Labyrinth.
You're a fan of musicals.
I just don't like Broadway.
Okay. Like you know anything about Broadway. Anywho. So what did we learn today, sweetie?
It's Tuesday.
Nijo Geeja Good. It's the second day. Tuesday. And we also learned Mushkote Simon is a bean. Mushkote Simonushk is a beanstalk. And a Bajike is a cow. Where does that term, holy cow, come from, you think?
I think it comes from India.
From India? Those other Indians?
Yeah.
Why do you say that?
Well, in Hinduism, they don't eat cows. They're sacred. So they would be a holy cow.
Oh, yeah, I suppose it would be that. Holy cow. What do we have here?
Indians say holy man.
Yeah, we do, don't we? Holy man. What are we talking about? Like, kicking bird?
Probably talking about Jesus.
Holy man! Yeah, instead of saying the Lord's name in vain, we say, holy man! Of course, I've seen people say holy crap, too.
Yeah, what is holy crap?
I have a theory about holy crap.
What's that?
You know how they say that mushrooms, magic mushrooms, psychedelic mushrooms, whatever, when people go out to harvest them, they go out to cornfields, they go out to cow fields, magique, and they look underneath cow patties. Apparently the mushrooms grow there. And if it's got like red spots or white spots or something, those are the ones that'll get you high or whatever. But then I wonder if like the first time like people accidentally ate mushrooms that were in cow dung. They're like, oh, like you could just, so one of your buddies comes in, hey man, you're not going to believe what happened. I was out on the field and I was licking, cow turds and then I found this mushroom covered in poo. So I thought, why not eat it? And I had the biggest trip. Here, you should try it. And I'm like, no, thank you. Did you at least rinse it off? Anywho, I don't know. Anyone else calling in?
No, I don't think so.
Who else is here? Holy man, says Heavy Flow. Poop makes good compost. There you go. Holy crap is the compost is the really good fertilizer. Holy crap. Culture Back, the soap opera. Breaking news says, yeah, I'm so antisocial, anti-going to town right now. I don't even want to file lawsuits. Yeah, I would have to speak to the old witch behind the counter, no doubt. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I don't like to go out either. Maybe it's a sign of the times. You know how the world's so divided. Like we went to Walmart last night. I just wanted to get in and get out. It's like, here's a little list of stuff we need. Boom, we'll check ourselves out. And you get in there, and then it's like a casino in Walmart. There's no clocks. There's no windows. You lose all track of time. An hour, 2 hours later, I'm in line for myself to check out. But what are you going to do? Nothing. And finally, Mizinabi Ike Winini, an artist. And the drawing is a Mizinabi Igun. Oh, that's a really minnow Mizinabi Igun. That's a really good drawing. And parents, I don't want to tell you how to raise your children, but if your kid comes home with a drawing, you tell them that's a good drawing. I don't care if it's not great. That's good, bad for his self-esteem. You put that thing on the fridge. You say, oh, I love your drawing. You're a great artist. Nanaboozhoo.
Actually, I don't know.
What do you mean?
Sometimes I think we coddle kids too much. We tell them that they're artists when they're really not artists.
Well, but, they worked really hard. They're proud of their drawings.
Well, I know, but then they grow up and they create art like Keanu Reeves' girlfriend because nobody was ever honest with them. And they just told him anything that they drew was good.
Wow, are you cynical?
Yeah, I believe in being real with kids.
Okay. Or be like Grumpy Pants here and tell a 4-year-old his drawing sucks.
Honesty.
Honesty is such a lonely word. Gwayak wa dizzy wind. Oh yeah, weren't we gonna do a whole album of Ojibwe songs? Just translate like Billy Joel tunes in Ojibwe.
Yeah, no kidding.
Gwayak wa dizzy wind is such a lonely word. I don't know. Sweetie, I think we should call it a show.
All right.
Michael, do you want to add anything before I sign out?
No, hey, how about I sign out?
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, miigwech bizandawieg. Thank you for listening. Thank you so much. And this is Michael Lyons.
Thank you, Natasha. Hey, everybody. Just wanted to say thank you so much for watching BOOZHOO NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. This is Natasha. BOOZHOO! This is NANABOOZHOO. Okay! I am Michael Lyons, and I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minowa. Oh. Oh, am I supposed to teleport or something? Oh, yeah. Do you want me to teleport you? Yeah, could you teleport me out of here? Yeah, you got it. Hang on. Let's see. That's 1 to teleport. See you later. See you tomorrow. What do I say? You got to say, make it so, number 1. Oh, yeah. Make it so, number 1.